We'll guide you through how to use the Key tool in DaVinci Resolve for color grading. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and load your project. Head over to the Color page by clicking the Color button at the bottom of the interface. Once you're there, you'll see your color wheels and other tools. To start using the Key, look for the Qualifier tool, which is represented by an eyedropper icon on the toolbar. Click on it to activate. Now, you can use the eyedropper to select a color or range of colors in your footage that you want to isolate or adjust. After you've picked your color, you'll see options for adjusting the selection in the qualifier panel, like hue, saturation, and luminance. Use these sliders to refine your selection. You'll also find the matte finesse controls, where you can adjust the denoise and blur radius to smooth out the edges of your key. If you need to see what your key looks like, you can activate the highlight feature by clicking the magic wand icon in the viewer area. This will show you the selected areas in grayscale, making it easier to refine your key. Once you're satisfied with your selection, you can go ahead and make color adjustments to just those parts of your image without affecting the rest. This is great for tasks like changing the color of a shirt or isolating a subject from the background. Remember, using multiple nodes can help you organize and control your adjustments better, so consider creating a new node for each major change. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.